everyone, today we are visiting Yutong again to review a brand new model launched by Yutong, the V6 van. Hi Ivan.
Hi. As a global leading bus manufacturer, Yutong's buses have continued to sell well around the world.
Currently, we focus on vans.
And Yutong's industry-leading manufacturing processes and technological strength, the brand new category model, the V61, was launched and quickly secured a large order of 500 units in the Latin American region.
Can you introduce this product for us?
Of course. As a star new product, V6 van has three core advantages: ultra comfort, high safety, and long lifespan. Let's look inside.
Okay.
V61
is a customized model specifically launched for customers in the Latin American market. From the very beginning of the design, the needs of end users for driving and riding were taken into account. It has a larger interior space, equipped with 20 seating positions. The seats, designed according to ergonomic principles, can provide a comfortable riding experience for both the driver and passengers. In terms of cockpit configuration,
V61
is equipped with a multifunctional and more intelligent driving system. Additionally,
the V61
can also be optionally equipped with the vehicle ITS, real-time monitoring of the overall status of the vehicle to achieve intelligent operation management.
Having experienced this comfort, let's turn our attention to its high safety. As we all know, Yutong's manufacturing process is extremely meticulous.
The V6 van overall adopts a closed-ring structure made of school bus grade high-strength steel, with a high-strength ratio exceeding 55%. At the same time, regarding seat safety, our seat design is fixed to the main beam, meeting the dynamic collision intensity and damage requirements at 50 km/h. These innovative technologies ensure the overall safety of the V6 van.
Wow, very safe design. So how does the V6 van demonstrate its long lifespan?
V6 van uses the zirconization electrocoating, ensuring no structural corrosion on the body for 20 years. At the same time, all 8,000 weld points on the vehicle use robotic spot welding for key welds, ensuring consistency and structural strength whether in high temperatures, extreme cold, or plateau condition. The V6 van easily handle high-intensity operational challenges of over 100,000 kilometers annually. Looking forward to the future and witnessing the reliable performance of the V6 van, together with everyone, in the future,
Yutong
will also launch new product lines such as pure electric vans, continuously promoting technological innovation and customized services, committed to providing users with sustainable travel solutions.